In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase your limit on PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I start teaching you how to actually increase your limit on PayPal, I do want to say that there are plenty of factors into play when it comes to increasing your limit inside of PayPal. One of the major ones is your region, how active you are on your PayPal account, and in general, the reputation that you have inside of PayPal. Like I said, since there are plenty of factors into play, I cannot give you a straight definitive answer, but as long as you have a good history with PayPal, you will be able to get an increased limit inside of the app or the website when you use your account. So first, make sure that you have a linked bank or credit card. By ensuring that you have at least a bank account linked, you will be able to maintain a positive transaction history, and it will also help you verify your account. Make sure that all your details are up to date and all the information like your address, name, contact information is correct. So go to your profile and manage everything from there. Besides just maintaining a positive history with PayPal, having a bank account linked, and using the app at least weekly, you will be able to automatically get your transfer limit increased. Like I said, this is a process that happens automatically. Most users just end up getting an increased limit by simply using the app actively and maintaining positive history. If you wish to try to speed up this process and see all the options that you have when it comes to increasing limit, all that you have to do is access the menu from the home screen, go into the Help Center, and you will be able to contact the PayPal support. By talking to their customer service, you can clear up some questions that you might have, and you can also directly request to have your limit increased. They might ask for some information, but as long as you can provide them with valid and legit documentation or information, they will be able to assist you in the trouble that you are having when it comes to your limit. Just talk to them and describe your issue and how much of an increase you need, and they will be able to have it done for you as long as you provide valid and legitimate up-to-date information. Once again, I want to say that this is going to depend on your region, and the app might be slightly different depending on where you are, but as long as you follow these general guidelines, you will be able to talk to them and get assistance. I hope I was able to help you on how to have your limit increased on PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.